Welcome back to EV Horizon, where we explore the cutting edge of electric vehicles with passion and precision. Today we are diving deep into the 2026 Maserati Grecale Folgore, the compact luxury SUV that blends Italian elegance with electrifying performance in a way few rivals can match. This all-electric powerhouse from Maserati redefines what a premium daily driver can be, delivering style, technology, and thrill without compromise. Let us start with the exterior, where the Grecale Folgore immediately commands attention with its flowing lines and contemporary Italian design. Measuring 191.5 inches long on a 114.3-inch wheelbase, it strikes the ideal balance between compact agility and a commanding road presence that turns heads everywhere. The signature Trident grille makes a bold statement up front, flanked by sharp LED headlights that project a futuristic yet timeless gaze. Sculpted side panels, a sporty roofline, and muscular wheel arches house optional 20 or 21-inch alloy wheels wrapped in performance rubber. Privacy glass, roof rails, and an available panoramic sunroof enhance the sophisticated profile, while carbon fiber accents and aluminum details underscore its lightweight engineering. Available in striking shades like Grigio Lava Metallic, the overall stance feels athletic and refined, with every curve hinting at the dynamic capability beneath the surface. It is not just another electric SUV, it is unmistakably a Maserati, exuding heritage and innovation in equal measure. Step inside the cabin and the Grecale Folgore reveals its true luxury credentials. The interior is spacious for 5 adults, thanks to a flat floor enabled by the battery pack placement, creating generous legroom front and rear. High-quality materials dominate, including regenerated nylon fibers such as Econol with laser-etched patterns inspired by Italian architecture for a fresh, sustainable touch. Heated and ventilated leather seats, a heated steering wheel, ambient lighting, and power-adjustable front seats wrapped in premium finishes set an upscale tone. The dashboard centers on a large 12.3-inch HD infotainment screen running Maserati Intelligent Assistant for intuitive navigation, media control, EV routing, and charging station integration, all accessible via touch, gesture, or voice commands. A futuristic reconfigurable digital clock adds flair with dynamic animations and notifications, while an optional Sonos Faber premium audio system delivers concert hall sound. Acoustic glass and extensive sound deadening keep the cabin whisper quiet, and the 19 cubic feet of cargo space behind the seats expands easily with folding rear benches for practical versatility. Every detail feels thoughtfully crafted, blending cutting-edge tech with old-world Italian craftsmanship for a truly immersive driving environment. Performance is where the Grecale Folgore earns its Folgore badge, which means lightning in Italian. Dual electric motors deliver a combined 542 horsepower and 604 pound-feet of torque through standard all-wheel drive, propelling this SUV from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 4.0 seconds while capping top speed at 137 miles per hour. The 105 kilowatt-hour battery supports an extended range of up to 360 miles under standardized testing conditions, boosted for 2026 by a smart AWD disconnect system that optimizes efficiency by sending power only where needed. DC fast charging at up to 150 kilowatts brings the battery from 10 to 80% in about 29 minutes, while a 22 kilowatt onboard charger makes home top-ups convenient overnight. Multiple driving modes tailor the experience perfectly. Comfort mode softens the air suspension and adaptive dampers for effortless cruising with reactive electric steering. GT mode balances agile acceleration and efficiency. Sport mode unlocks maximum boost with firmer handling and quicker responses, and even an off-road setting adds 35 mm of ground clearance for light trails. The ride stays planted and playful through corners despite a curb weight around 5,500 pounds, and while it remains serenely silent in normal use, Sport mode can pipe in synthesized engine notes if you crave that classic Maserati drama. It is competitively quick, refined, and fun without sacrificing everyday usability. Now onto pricing, which reflects the Grecale Folgore's premium positioning in the United States market. It starts at $121,290 MSRP, with well-equipped examples easily climbing into the $125,000 to $130,000 range once you add popular options like the Climate Package for ventilated seats, rear heating, and hands-free liftgate. Maserati's Folgore personalization program lets buyers customize further with exclusive colors, materials, and trims for true one-of-a-kind ownership. At this price point it sits alongside top-tier luxury EVs, offering exclusivity and heritage that justify the investment for enthusiasts who want Italian flair over mass-market alternatives. Compared to rivals, it delivers standout style and a thrilling yet comfortable drive that feels special every time you slide behind the wheel. There you have it, the complete story of the 2026 Maserati Grecale Folgore, a compact luxury SUV that proves electric power can be as exciting and elegant as any combustion-powered Maserati before it. If this detailed review sparked your interest in the EV revolution, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to EV Horizon for more in-depth looks, and drop a comment below with your thoughts on this Italian electric gem. Thanks for joining me today, and we will catch you on the next Horizon.